And welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing a walkthrough on how to change the oil on a 2021 Volkswagen Jetta. I'll show you how to reset the oil filter light on the dashboard as well after we're done. Whether you're doing this for the first time or just need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will help you get the job done quickly and easily. Alright, so I have the car pulled up on ramps to make it easier to access. You want to engage the parking brake. Safety is key, so always double check that your car is stable before you crawl underneath. So I'm going to remove the bottom splash shield. It was 3 5/16 bolts on the front and 2 T47 bolts on the back, at least on this one. So now you want to locate the oil drain plug. It's usually on the bottom of the engine oil pan. This is going to be a 19mm socket. Place your drain pan underneath, then use your wrench or socket to carefully loosen and remove the old drain plug. Let the old oil drain completely. Once it's done, wipe off the drain plug and put it back in, making sure that you tighten it securely. Next, you want to locate the oil filter. Using your oil filter wrench, turn the filter counterclockwise to remove it. Be careful, there may still be some oil inside it. When tightening your new oil filter up, you only have to do it hand tight. Don't overdo it like the last person who changed this car. Once it's off, take your new filter, rub a little bit of fresh oil on the rubber gasket, and screw it on by hand until it's snug. Do this hand tight and don't over tighten it. Using your funnel, pour in the new oil. For the 2021 Jetta, you'll need about 4.5 quarts. After adding the oil, replace the cap and start the engine. Let it run for a minute, then turn it off and check the oil level with a dipstick. Add more oil if necessary until you reach the correct level. When the oil change is complete, it's time to reset the oil filter light on the dashboard. Here's how you do it. You want to push your push start button to start your car. While you're doing this, you also want to push the 0.0 button beneath the speedometer. As your car starts, the oil reset prompt will pop on the screen. Push the 0.0 button again to clear it. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more videos like these.